Okay, y'all, in this meal, we're going to use stuff that you can store for long-term use in your pantry and the freezer. You can freeze cream cheese and keep your ground beef froze. You could can ground beef if you needed to, if you didn't have room in your freezer, so you could can your ground beef. But you can store in your pantry your spaghetti noodles, and y'all need to be stocking up on those. I'd go ahead and buy me like 10 boxes if you could, and have them for this one pot meal, for this food shortage that we're seeming to start having. In the recipe, I use one whole medium onion, but you can use dried onions if you had to, and that could be stored in your pantry. And then back here we have the roasted garlic Parmesan sauce, and you can stock up on that. That's the kind Travis likes, and we've stocked up on it. We always keep the minced garlic. You can get it for $1, well, $1.25 now at the Dollar Tree. That's a good minced garlic to keep stored. And then your spices. I'm using the garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and just salt. Nothing fancy. We're just sticking to the basics for this one pot meal. And then we've got the Parmesan cheese. And that right there you can buy, and it'll keep stored. Once you open it, then you do have to keep it in the refrigerator. But it's good, you know, for a long time. This one right here, I probably have that one's still good until August 2022. So it does store and keep for a long time. And then right here is our Worcestershire sauce. And I keep that little bottle, and we have a gallon jug that Travis got at Sam's, so you can stock up on that too. And just refill your bottle. That's what we did. But your cheese, you can put in the freezer. So you can freeze cream cheese. I have done it. And you could even put that in the freezer if you needed to. But this is all items that you can use on a pantry meal from your food storage that you keep stored for extra supplies with this food shortage going on. But let's get to cooking this one pot meal for what's for dinner. This is a great what's for dinner idea for a family with kids, because the pasta makes it go further. So you can feed a family with a one pot meal. have a half of a white onion and a purple onion, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a jar of roasted garlic Parmesan sauce, minced garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper and salt, and some Worcestershire sauce. I seen this new pot holder and I went ahead and got it. That's how I feel every time Travis goes to the gas pump.